Welcome to the Complete Junior to Senior Web Developer Roadmap. By the end of this course, you will no longer be a junior developer. My name is Andre Nagoye, and I'm the instructor of the highest rated web development course on Udemy, with hundreds of students joining my previous course each day. I have spent years consulting and working as a senior developer for the biggest tech firms in Silicon Valley and Toronto. I've also consulted for published books as well as startups. But this is about you. In this course, you will learn all the modern technical skills that senior developers know that work for the biggest tech companies like Google, Airbnb, Netflix, and many others. You see, I've been in your shoes before. You never feel like you're good enough of a programmer. You feel like you are always playing catch-up to people smarter than you, that you are an imposter pretending to be a web developer, and you feel like you will never get to the point that some of the other senior developers are. You see a mountain and you don't know how you're ever going to climb it to the top. Think of this course like a boot camp. By the end of it, you will have employable skills that are in high demand. Unlike a boot camp though, you will never need to apply for a junior developer role again. Instead of spending thousands of dollars learning in an environment where things move too fast, watching somebody else code along, and not fully understanding the why of each topic. This course, on the other hand, is something you can do at your own pace with meaningful exercises that solidify your knowledge with projects you can put on your portfolio at the end of the course. Instead of learning skills that will mark you as a junior developer, you'll be learning skills that will set you apart, that any company would want. You will learn to think critically and with a big picture in mind. I'm not going to teach you the coolest and the hippest way to write a JavaScript function that nobody understands and isn't useful other than just to show off. No, I'm going to teach you how to structure projects, how to have successful projects, and how to connect the dots for all the technologies that are out there for web developers, all things that senior developers know. This course is going to follow a storyline where you are hired at a new company. Along the way, your boss will take you through real-life scenarios and tasks that you'll have to accomplish as a developer. This way, you are learning practical skills in each section that you can implement in real life. And yes, these are all scenarios I have encountered myself in the industry. This course is your answer to finally feel admired, respected by others, and confident in your skills, and hopefully, by the end of it, get a higher salary. Here's the secret. Most junior developers and beginner programmers have the capability to become really good developers. However, they don't have a trusted source of information to tell them what to spend their time on, what are the good practices and the bad practices, why these tools are good and what tools are bad. Instead, they hope that they gain their knowledge here and there through trial and error, slowly and slowly. Instead, I want to give you a fast track and give you all the knowledge that I have learned over the years in the industry in a clear and concise way, because the most complex topics are built on top of basic ideas that anybody can understand. The course will be focused on connecting the dots on all of these so that next time you are in an interview, you can speak intelligently about current tactics for building projects, architecture, and setting up developer environments. My goal is to give you the most efficient path to becoming a senior developer, instead of wasting your time on the wrong things. If I was starting a company today and wanted top quality developers, these are the skills that I would hope you have. We're going to learn about performance optimizations, React and Redux, Webpack, TypeScript, securing your apps, testing your apps, Docker, Redis, session management, AWS Lambda, and much, much more. Don't worry if you don't know all these terms. By the end of this course, you're going to be miles ahead of most web developers. You will feel confident to have the skills to lead projects, make project decisions, and possibly even train junior developers. I'm so confident in this course that if you don't find any value after watching the videos and following along with exercises, you can have a full refund within 30 days of signing up. I hope you will join me to learn the skills that will set you apart as a web developer. This course has over 200 HT videos, and we also have a private online chat room with thousands of students networking and helping each other out every day to get better. Finally, think of this as a constantly evolving course. As I do with all of my courses, it will be kept up to date as new practices emerge so you can make sure you are learning the most current and relevant skills in the industry. Remember, what you are going to do today that other people won't will allow you to do tomorrow what other people can't. Be better than a junior developer. Whoever you are, wherever you are, this is the path to becoming a senior developer one day. Have a look at the course outline in the next video to see if this course is right for you. I'll see you inside.